show you inside of an Eskimo fan. This is the one with the plastic 5-blade. So it does come apart. This was very filled up with dirt and grime, and so I just cleaned it out. And these two halves do come apart, but they go together like that. But I just opened it up to clean it out. The big problem was this fan, really hard to take off. You do have one screw in the front there, you have to take that out, but as you can see, I think a lot of grease was built up and it just, or rust, and it just held the blades on. So you really have to get both sides and just pull it down. I'm just surprised this didn't break apart. So I'll take you to how to put this together. Okay, got it together. Just use this 3-in-1 oil and oiled just the shaft bearings in there, just cleaned it up. When you put it together, you need to make sure these marks line up here and they have them all along here. Otherwise the windings won't match. And then this only has the 2 speeds. Slow, high, low, off. Tip about putting this together, you have these bolts that go all the way through here. They're supposed to go in those holes, but as you can tell, I didn't align the bolt holes the right way. You can see it goes there in these square places, but there you can see it's supposed to go through a hole like that. So I gotta take this off. Probably just use a hammer. Just hit this thing off, and then it'll reclock it. Okay, once you get the bolts secured in, it just places right back into there, no problem. And then you put these on the other side of that, and that'll secure the motor in there. And we'll put the fan on. So this is the end result. It's at least it works, but it's kind of slow and it's making that noise. So you can kind of hear it go. It works okay. Good enough for a garage, I guess. So quick update, it just finally kicked in after running for a couple minutes really slowly. Now it's going full speed. And that knocking sound went away. So there we go.